In the dynamic world of product-led companies, product management plays a pivotal role in driving growth, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Unlike traditional companies that rely on sales and marketing to drive revenue, product-led companies focus on providing a valuable product experience that encourages users to sign up, engage, and ultimately convert into paying customers. Product managers in product-led companies are the orchestrators of this customer-centric approach, ensuring that the product meets user needs, delivers value, and drives sustainable growth. The core responsibilities of a product manager in a product-led company. The responsibilities of a product manager in a product-led company encompass a wide range of activities, defining the product vision and strategy. Product managers articulate a clear and compelling product vision that aligns with the company's overall business objectives and customer needs. They develop a product strategy that outlines the roadmap for achieving this vision, prioritizing features, and guiding the product's evolution, understanding user needs and pain points. Product managers conduct thorough user research and analyze user feedback to gain a deep understanding of user needs, pain points, and expectations. They use this understanding to inform product decisions, ensuring that the product is solving real problems and delivering value to customers, prioritizing features and managing the product roadmap. In a product-led company, product managers must carefully prioritize features based on their impact on user acquisition, engagement, and conversion. They manage the product roadmap, balancing competing priorities and ensuring that the product delivers value at every stage of the user journey. Collaborating with cross-functional teams. Product managers work closely with cross-functional teams, including engineering, design, marketing, and sales, to ensure that the product is developed and marketed effectively. They foster a culture of collaboration and shared ownership, ensuring that everyone is aligned on the product vision and strategy. Measuring and analyzing product performance. Product managers continuously measure and analyze product usage data to assess the impact of product features and initiatives. They identify areas for improvement, optimize the user experience, and make informed decisions to drive growth and engagement, adapting to change and embracing agility. The product landscape in a product-led company is constantly evolving, with new technologies, user expectations, and competitor strategies emerging. Product managers must be agile and adaptable, ready to pivot product strategies, adjust roadmaps, and embrace new technologies to stay ahead of the curve. The unique challenges of product management in a product-led company. Product managers in product-led companies face unique challenges, including balancing user needs with business goals. Product managers must strike a delicate balance between meeting user needs and achieving business objectives. They must ensure that the product is user-centric while also driving growth and profitability. Measuring product value in a freemium model. Many product-led companies offer freemium models where users can access basic product features for free and pay for additional features or premium access. Product managers must measure product value in a way that captures the impact of both free and paid users, nurturing user growth and engagement. Product managers must constantly find ways to acquire new users, encourage engagement, and reduce churn. They must experiment with different marketing channels, feature releases, and user onboarding strategies to optimize the user lifecycle. Aligning product strategy with sales and marketing. Product managers must work closely with sales and marketing teams to ensure that the product messaging, positioning, and pricing align with the overall business strategy. They must collaborate to create a seamless customer experience across all touchpoints, demonstrating ROI and impact. Product managers must demonstrate the return on investment, ROI, of product initiatives and quantify the impact of their work on the company's growth and success. They must use data and analytics to justify product investments and inform future strategies.